Today we're planting peppers. Hey, we're down here at high tunnel number 1, and you see me unbox them peppers the other day, so we're gonna put them in the ground. And I've already lightly tilled this the other day and fertilized it and put the bone meal in. So I used like I think it was a 2-12-12, and then the bone meal is like a 2-17-0. So you don't want a whole lot of nitrogen in your peppers. So I really need the other two more. So anyway, I got it worked in, and right now we're going to deep till it. So I'll make a couple passes here, and then we're going to get the fabric, one section of fabric, and pull in here. We're going to plant, and we'll see how many we got. And then we'll do another section of fabric. So we'll just work our way over. So I don't know if we'll get them all done in this video. We'll get several done. So anyway, I'm going to start tilling. I'm going to till it, and then we'll get the fabric in here, and I'll talk about my peppers as we go. So I'm going to get this started. Okay, I got her tilled up, and I went as deep as I could with that tiller, and it tilled up really nice. It's actually a little easier using that tiller than the tractor. I don't know if you can go back maybe when we first started. I did it with the tractor, but the tractor you can't get over there close. Like I tilled that over right there against the board lightly the other day, so I'll be able to till. It's a lot less stressful too with this. Anyway, if you're gonna get one, that's dual rotating, so I think you spend a little extra money to get you a dual rotating, because if you get something clogged up, you can rotate it a different way and then throw it out. You don't have to get down there and dig it all out. Anyway, I'm gonna get the fabric out back, and we're gonna pull it in here and kind of pin it down, and we'll get to planting some peppers. All right, we got the first piece of fabric in, and for some reason I just had one row of hose in it, so that's the luck of the draw. So we're gonna go with it. Of course, over there in that first place, we got some squash, and it's coming up. And I planted some cucumbers here on both sides, and I don't know if they're not coming up yet. I see one or two just starting to come up, so it might not have been hot enough for them. But anyway, I'm gonna start out with these golden bell peppers. And I got these from a fellow seller or vendor at the farmer's market, David Jones. I bought them from him. So if you're local, look him up on Facebook Marketplace. He's got some great plants. I got these, and I got some more I'll show you as we go. But we're gonna start out with this. It's a bell. It's a golden bell, like a yellow bell. And we're gonna fill this row up here with that. So I've got 12 of them to start with. Really nice plants. So let's get started. Of course, I'm using the old standing plant here. And I watered these heavy last night, so they're still damp. But I'm gonna water them again after we get them all placed in here. Like I said before, I've already got this soil mended, so I don't have to put anything in the hole. All right, I got some more. I'll get those, and we'll come back and go to the next one. All right, our next variety is Gypsy, and I've only got 4 of those, and they're kind of young, but I'm gonna plant them anyway. I just got these. I got these from the FFA department at our local high school. So, and this is all they had of them. This is one of our favorite peppers, the Gypsy pepper. It's a little, it's like an Italian frying pepper or something, but I like to fry them up, put them in omelets. Oh man, they're so good. And we freeze a lot of them. We freeze a lot of bell peppers too, so we'll sell a lot of these. I mean, We freeze a ton of peppers because we use them all through the year. All right, I'll go get our next variety, and I'll have to see what's next. I don't want to mix hot and mild together, kind of. So I've got some hot peppers. I'm gonna wait and put them over in there. Let me see what else I got. Okay, so we're gonna finish out this row with a Big Bertha's green bell pepper. And you see I forgot to water these. These look a little wilty, but I watered them, and I'll water them again when we get in there. So I'm gonna get these planted, and then I'm gonna till another row. We'll put another piece in here, and we'll keep on going. Oh, I hate these little cheap things. All right, we'll crank that old tiller up, and we'll till this and bring the other one in, and we'll come back and get our next variety. All right, so we got the next piece put down, and it's got 2 rows in it. I got to thinking we use these for our tomatoes, so I think last year we spaced them a little closer together over there. But anyway, this is the Gourmet F1. This is the ones I ordered through the mail the other day, and they turned out a lot better. Let me go get the package for you just a second. But this is a bell pepper that turns orange, and really didn't want all that many of them. You know, they didn't have the seeds that I wanted. I wanted California Wonder. They called me and says, we'll substitute these, and these are all about 3 times as much. And I said, are they the same? Yeah, they're the same. Well, they ain't the same. They turn orange, and I want green that turns red. Of course, all bell peppers are green, and they turn their color, you know. But anyway, long story short, I'm going to go ahead and plant them. And I ended up having to buy a flat of California Wonder from a local nursery, and I'll probably be the next row. So anyway, let me get that flat, and we'll see how good they look. So they turned out, once we got them out of the box, and I gave them a good watering, and they turned out really nice. So it's some good quality stuff. So we're gonna get these planted. There's 72 of them. I don't know how many hoes I got here. It'll probably take this whole row, 2 rows here. So we'll get these planted, and we'll come back with our next variety. Hey, don't forget our giveaway this Wednesday, being our next video. We're going to try to do it live at 5:30. We're giving away a gift card to Baker's Creek, to High Morning Seeds, to Outback, and a skin care package from Davis Farmstead. It's priceless. So anyway, go back a couple videos, leave your name in that video, and I'll put you in the drawing Wednesday at 5:30 live. Hopefully. Anyway, we went ahead and did the other fabric we had. We pulled it in here. We got just about all the sweet peppers we got right now. We do have room. We're gonna put another row right over there against that edge where that dirt showed, and I've got a piece of 3-foot that'll go there. We're not gonna do that today because we'll have to get the torch and all that stuff. And back there in the back there where there's not nothing, where I'm gonna put the hot peppers. We're gonna do jalapenos, hot cherry, cowhorn, and one more I can't remember. I got it over there, but they're kind of little, so I need to give them a few days. And we got some squash coming up here, and I put cucumbers here, and I was trying to get a head start, but they never came up. I used some old seeds, so I don't know what happened, so I might put peppers in there. I still got a few more bells I got to put in. I need to let them set a day or two. So anyway, this is it, and I forgot to even count how many we had put in here. I know there's 72, probably about 150 peppers today. pretty good day's work. We ran out also those pins that we do, so this edge over here is not pinned, and we're kind of nervous about it. So we're gonna run to the hardware store and get some pins and do that this evening. I won't film that. I'm gonna probably end the video. Hit that subscribe button because it helps us grow. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. We're about a little over halfway. We're 519 this morning. So hit that button for us. Don't cost you anything. Give us a thumbs up. I'll give you a tour when we get the rest of the peppers in here. Next thing will be the tomatoes. Probably not the next video, but the video after that. So the giveaways this Wednesday now, live, 5:30. Be there. Give us a thumbs up. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm in the next video.